Okay, from that dada, pwede bang yung prosecutor baguhin yung decision niya after pag may nag-MR? Sabi kasi ng iba 99% hindi. Most of the time po hindi na po babaguhin, but merong times na binabago din ng prosecutor. Like in my case 'no, marami na ring beses na I changed my mind 'no, after a motion for reconsideration was filed. I was humble enough to admit na, tama yung punto dito sa motion for reconsideration. So I have to change my decision. So for example, yung earlier resolution ng fiscal is merong probable cause. Nag-file ng MR yung agreed party, the fiscal can overturn his own decision or resolution and then state in his resolution that there is no probable cause and vice versa. So pwede po.